So we put some Avengers, some dinosaurs and stuff out here. And we put some food coloring on the rocks and hope that they're going to change colors too to make it a little cooler. Go ahead, Kayla.
So it can make all the colors.
Oh, it's not doing what we wanted. Let me see. Well, if anything, it's going to make it more muddy for him to play, I guess. Well, it didn't quite work.
Oh, it's money.
Like we wanted. But it's still going to be muddy for you. Still going to be muddy, huh?
So I can do it.
Yeah.
After October.
Oh, it didn't really... Okay, well, it didn't really do what we wanted, but... Oh, well. Okay, so we'll turn that off and we'll get to playing. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
So he loves his new Scorpion RC Pro 11 car.
No, don't go too hard.
It's all right. Back it up. Kingston, by the way, is 3, so this car is pretty good for him. He does have a little difficulty steering it and stuff, but he loves to play with it and he's getting the hang of it.
Gotta make it
Go.
to the beginning.
Yeah. Turn it. You gotta turn it, baby. You got it. Don't hit Spider-Man. Spider-Man's out here hanging out with us today. Oh, man. Who'd you hit?
Marshall and the ball.
Who did you hit?
Marshall, right?
Marshall. Oh, man. Put it all the way down at the end and take it to the other end. Right here, baby. Put it right here. We got Spider-Man. Dun, dun, dun. Hut.
All right.
Oh, you ran him over. Who'd you just run over?
The garden of the guy.
The minion. Oh, man. Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah. Yeah, really good one. Here it goes. And don't knock over my ladder. Whoa, and he knocked over home.
He did what?
Knocked over home.
He did. Man.
What's still not working? It
Go.
just worked already.
Go, it's working. Try it. Turn it off and then turn it back on. It's working. Look, let me see. There it goes. Go. Go. Let me see. There, see? It's just stuck. Don't kick it. It's not nice. Oh, you got the thing off. Oh, I think our battery is dead. I don't think we charged it long enough, maybe.
No.
Well, try it and see.
Oh, maybe there's a book on that one. That one's
So it's new and we may not have charged it long enough.
but it may.
It's on. Let me see. Let me see. Look, let me see. Oh, yep. See, it's red on the thing. We didn't charge it long enough, baby. We got to charge it longer. See? Right there. It's red. Showing red. We got to charge it longer. Okay, guys. So when we get it charged up more, we will come back and continue our video.
Yeah, but we gotta leave these out so we can replace them.
Yeah, we'll leave them out so we can play again, right? Yeah?
But no one's gonna steal them.
No, nobody's going to steal them. Okay, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
So I'll see you in a minute. I'll see you in a couple hours. High five? Do it again. One more high five. One more high five. Woo!